Welcome to the Intuitive Hour with psychic medium, author, and intuitive life coach, Michelle Beltran. The Intuitive Hour will empower you to learn how to magnify your intuitive voice. Listen in and expand your understanding of what it means to be psychic and how to awaken, amplify, and trust your inner voice.
Hello, everyone. Welcome. This is the Intuitive Hour. Awaken your inner voice. Thank you for carving out time in your day to be with me as we explore psychic development, intuition, and all things metaphysical. Today, we're talking about clearing the energy between two people, and in fact, I have a very powerful meditation lined up for you. I call this meditation relationship aligning. It's an attunement of sorts, and it can be done if two people aren't able or are even unwilling to come together to find peace and balance. This meditation can be done with a stand-in person, or it can be done purely energetically between two people. It's equally effective in either way. The relationship aligning and attunement meditation may bring deep emotional release. So do be mindful. This is normal and it's welcomed. Frequently, tears will flow or resistance can show in regards to a particular issue. This meditation can be used when there is disharmony between family, friends, intimate relationships, or somebody distant from you in location. For this meditation, you'll want to sit in a space that allows for your partner to also sit as if he or she were present physically. You may want to create a pillow, space, or seat for their energy body to be present if they are not physically present. You want to sit relaxed, seated close together at about 18 inches apart, facing one another. All right, we will begin our meditation now. Gaze softly at one another through your left eye. Allow the soft gazing to continue, and slowly notice how you begin to feel more unified with your partner. As you gaze, you may begin to feel that you no longer identify as people. As you move deeper into this meditation, even the roles between the two of you will disappear. A soul connection is now being made as you engage in this deeper way. Hold this space for a few moments. Now, while still gazing at one another through your left eye, begin to notice your breath. Feel your breath. Breathe in and breathe out. Next, watch as your partner breathes in and breathes out. Watch the rise and fall of their chest as they breathe. Now, begin to synchronize your breath with one another. Just naturally and gradually let this happen. Resist trying to make it be. Simply allow the happening of the breathing to sink. Remember to be fully present. Your mind may wander. Just return to the synchronizing of your breath and the eye gazing through the left eye. Imagine you are one, in unison, breathing collectively. Be in a joyful, light, relaxed space. A smile may come. Let it. Tears may flow. Let them. Sit in this powerful alignment and bonding space for several minutes. Next, reach out and place your left hand over your partner's heart. Pause for a moment and feel their chest rise and fall as your hand rests there. Feel the warmth of their flesh beneath your hand. Feel their heartbeat. You might be able to hear their heartbeat. Hold this for a moment while still in simultaneous breathing. Now, watch as your partner reaches to you, placing their hand on your chest, resting their hand on your chest as your breathing rises and falls. This is a powerful sinking moment now, and a flood of deep emotion may come. You are bonding and releasing. This is a safe and okay space to be. Feel and breathe in tandem, each of your left hands resting on the other's heart, allowing this powerful sinking to happen. Hold this space for several moments. To complete the heart link and syncing, each of you will now reach out and grasp each other's right hand, creating a loop, a powerful spiritual linking loop. You are now connected through a heart-to-heart link with each other. In this moment, say out loud to your partner, "I forgive you completely, and I am sorry." Watch now as deep gratitude appears on your partner's face. You may notice your partner says something in response. If so, what is that? Listen. In the most positive of energy, repeat this phrase of forgiveness, or whatever words you choose, until you feel complete. Whatever it was that needed to be released has done so now. Next, listen and watch as your partner expresses their words of forgiveness or apology to you. Listen closely. Listen with your heart. Accept those powerful words. Be in this space of synced breathing, having exchanged these words for a few moments. Allow emotion to flow, resistance to release. Breathe in and breathe out in this heart link, finding balance, peace, and joy once again with one another. As you're ready, begin to release your right and left hands from your partner's hands. Call your attention back to your space. You are now present, back in your centeredness. The syncing complete. Breathe in and out for several moments in your own space now. As you're ready, open your eyes and become connected with all things around you now. Be especially sure to journal this powerful meditation.